our Google Classroom in this type of professional development that we're doing because it's different. We have a huge opportunity for growth this year. Things have changed since the end of last school year, and we're looking at doing things differently, and that's okay because that's just another opportunity for Greenwood School District and our teachers and staff to show that we are excellence in education. And you guys have always surprised us and rose to every occasion that's been set before you, and we know that it won't be any different. So our goal is for you guys to be ready to roll out in August, and you'll see as you watch through these videos that all the tools that you need to be successful for online teaching are available. Our goal is for you to have 2 weeks worth of lessons and assignments posted in Google Classroom. And the reason for that is we want you guys to be ready to roll in August, to be all in. We don't want you to have to worry about those first 2 weeks, getting the kids ready, rules and procedures, all of that you guys do, and getting to know your students so well as doing the online component. So if we know that you get the online component finished now, that's going to make your first 2 weeks really smooth. And then if for some reason, we did have to go online within those first 2 weeks, you're already ready. The trade-off for that is that on our building days, you get to have the evenings off if you have your 2 weeks in Google Classroom. If not, that's going to be the opportunity for us to come in and help you with videos, uploading, whatever it is that you might be struggling with at that time. So we will be here to support you. You are not alone. These videos that you watch are going to walk you through everything. And I suggest that you take notes as you go so that way you can refer back to them. I already have my notes sitting here for Screencast-O-Matic because this is one of my first Screencast-O-Matic videos. And I've probably remade it about 10 times already. So don't be afraid to take notes as you go. Make sure that you pay attention because you will have to apply these things in your Google Classroom. And I'm excited to see what you guys do because I feel like you will find different tricks and tools that I haven't found yet. And Mr. Nation and I did watch through all these videos. Jason and Aaron did an amazing job at making these. Originally, we kind of thought that we would make our own, but when we saw these, we thought, why recreate the wheel, because they've already done it and they've done it really, really well. If you need us as you're going through this process, please don't hesitate to reach out. We're here to help you and we're here to support you. Again, this is a huge opportunity for growth. We want you guys to be just as excited as we are about it. Just like AMI, a lot of teachers went above and beyond and did things that were above our expectations, and we're excited to see that again in this virtual side of Google Classroom. And we know that it's going to be Greenwood great. Bye, guys.